Product adoption and retention are critical to the success of software. But it's hard to drive adoption and retention when you can't get a clear picture of what's working and what's not working for users. Software organizations are required to update and innovate at lightning speed, which is impossible when you're stuck manually coding customer responses or relying on clunky, outdated CX platforms that really only skim the surface. We've seen insights teams in these companies really struggle with the following things. They're drowning in a goldmine of customer feedback, but not knowing where to start to make the changes that positively impact user experience. They're only able to get surface-level insights using existing CX technology because these tools are using pre-trained models. They're also wasting days or weeks manually coding data to go a layer deeper, only to find those insights are now outdated. They're also struggling to identify emergent trends in their customer data, as well as reporting out in a timely manner and to the right stakeholders. Kapiche is a customer intelligence platform that solves all these problems using unsupervised machine learning. A new way to understand text data, Kapiche allows you to combine data from any source, including surveys, support tickets, chatbots, and social media. Let's dig in. We'll use Kapiche to automatically code all the issues affecting our users, including the ones we didn't already know about. There are no pre-trained models and no need for any manual coding using Kapiche. We know 5-star reviews drive revenue for this app in a highly competitive marketplace. We know the answer to getting more amazing 5-star reviews is to just go straight to the source and look at what users have said in those reviews. Great insights teams know this is where the real gold can be found. For this analysis, we've pulled all customer reviews on the app, and we'll use it to get the actionable insights that we need to drive revenue, new user adoption, and referrals. With 9,560 rows and 1 million words in the survey, we'll definitely need some help. If we were to do this manually, it would take roughly 53 hours. With Kapiche, you can pull data from multiple sources, such as the customer data we already have in-house. If you can get it into a spreadsheet, Kapiche can make sense of it for you. For this project, we're analysing App Store reviews and have been able to match reviewers to in-house product usage data. As you can see, it doesn't take long for Kapiche to make sense of the data. Our initial analysis is complete in just 23 seconds. We'll use the storyboard to get a high-level overview of exactly what's going on in this dataset. This visual helps you map out the semantic relationships between all the themes, including the ones that weren't on your radar. You might be surprised by what you discover. Just eyeballing this particular storyboard, there's an obvious issue over here with updates. By clicking on Update, we can dig a little bit deeper. But we've still got questions that need answering. What specifically is going on with software updates? How is it impacting the number of stars we get on the App Store? And most important, what can we do about it? No doubt executives will ask that question. When we look at the context network, we can see updates are tangentially related to swipe and map. This visualization shows the context around this theme, saving us the time of having to manually read through each and every response to arrive at the same level of understanding. As you can see, quite a high proportion have negative sentiment. Users are clearly not happy about something. Of course, we can still see each individual survey response and read through any of them for deeper understanding. We should add this query to the dashboard we're building so that we can examine its impact it's having on App Store reviews. There's no limit, by the way, to the number of queries that can be saved. Each query will show up on the dashboard visualization. Let's head over there now. This is the dashboard, and it's where your storytelling magic shines. From here, we can sort all previously saved queries by any structured column that was in the dataset. Sorting by impact on App Store reviews, we can see at a glance the negative and positive drivers behind App Store reviews. The app's new dark mode, games, and communicating with friends are all having a positive impact on App Store reviews. Areas to improve, however, are updates, including new updates to the app, issues with the app password, picture quality, and security verification processes. Once we go through and continue to dig deeper into the issues around updates, we'll have a clearer picture of where we can improve the app to drive higher App Store reviews. As you can see, we've been able to uncover these issues in minutes, successfully avoiding spending hours manually reading comments. We've not wasted days training software to look for what we already know. Kapiche is helping us break out of data silos and avoid the pitfalls of tunnel vision. We can also share these insights with anyone from across the organisation by sharing this dashboard with them. With Kapiche, expect to quickly find actionable insights leveraging all types of customer data: qual, quant, structured and unstructured. You can also expect to successfully pull that customer data from any source, including tools you already have in-house, such as Qualtrics, InMoment, Zendesk or Intercom. With Kapiche, you can expect to get deeper, richer insights that improve your understanding of all issues impacting the customer journey. You can also expect to stay ahead of the competition by developing a deeper understanding of what activities will be most impactful on your CX, and the ability to quantify the impact of your CX initiatives. Lastly, with Kapiche, expect to report using visualizations that impress even the most hardened cynic. If you're looking for deeper insights to drive engagement and retention, Kapiche's customer intelligence platform is the logical next step for your insights team. There's a personalized demo waiting for you.